If you're anything like me, you want your video content to look polished and professional without spending hours on editing. That's why today I'm sharing 7 powerful Canva AI video editing features that can completely transform the way you create short-form video content for Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. I'll show you exactly how these features work and give you real-life examples to fit these into your workflow as a content creator. Ready? Let's do this. Now, Canva wouldn't be what it is without the absolutely iconic background remover, but I feel like its sister feature, the video background remover, is still not used as much. But this feature has been a massive help with my talking head videos, and if you've ever wanted to create that cool text behind me effect or add more visual interest by showing what you talk about behind you as well, this tool is perfect for you. You could also swap out a distracting background without using green screen and choose something that fits your vibe and is a little bit more aesthetic. Now, here's how I love to use it. I often repurpose my YouTube videos into short clips, but this often cuts off any edits I've done for the horizontal format and leaves me with much less space to show what I'm talking about. This is why the background remover helps, because I can fit things behind me and it works for the vertical format too. Now, I've duplicated the original clip so that the original background is still there. So you can see that I've got a copy on top, and all you have to do is to select this video layer and then click background remover here at the top, and we'll let AI analyze it. Now from here, I can add text behind it. So I've got these two and I can just make them appear just like that and push them to the back. Just like this. And you can see that when I play it now, it appears behind me like this. So this is one of those cool effects, but you can also just completely replace the background with something that matches your branding. And it's such an easy way to make the content stand out and look a little bit more extra without needing complicated software or hours of editing. And now, speaking of hours spent on editing, putting together a cohesive video from multiple clips can sometimes be a pain because you spend a lot of time on choosing the flow, on trimming the clips, adding transitions, and often text too. And it all becomes too much work when you're meant to just create a quick short for Instagram or Pinterest. But the Magic Design for Video feature has made this process so much easier. I can go to the front and go and open up a new social media, a new video design from here. So I can just click it like this. And to the left in the design tab that opens up normally, I can see this generating panel. Now, once you click on it, you'll find out that this is actually what Magic Design is. This is where you find it. And I can just scroll down to find these clips. From here, you can choose up to 10 photos of videos of your choice that you've uploaded already to your account. And this panel pops up where you can describe what you want the video to be. Now, I want a throwback mini vlog from Canva Create 2023 in Sydney, since Canva Create in LA is coming up, and I'm so excited for it. And I can just hit generate. Now, instead of piecing together clips manually, I can let Magic Design generate a complete video for me with transitions, with animations and text, and it all just happens in under a few minutes. So this is what it generated for me. It even has music underneath. You can see the transitions happening. You've got the text and the descriptions. Of course, you still have to tweak things, apply your own branding, change the wording to sound like you, but it still cuts on a lot of manual work. It's great for those moments when you don't feel particularly inspired but still need some content to post. And timing clips to match the music used to be one of the most tedious parts of editing, and as someone who likes to create mini-style vlog videos for fun using different music tracks, BeatSync has completely changed that. Let's add something from the Canva library, another music track, to this clip that was created for me before. I'm just going to mute it so it doesn't disrupt us. All I need to do is to click BeatSync here at the very top and click sync now. And of course, from here, Canva will automatically align my video clips with the beats of the song, and I don't need to manually adjust a thing. It's just all perfectly synced without hours of effort. Now, the best part is that all the music available in the Canva library already comes with the beats synced in. You can see these beats in here, so they all appear on the track for you. And when you have your own music that you want to sing the clips to, I will just show you what you do. All you have to do is to upload it. I already have some stuff in here. And when you drag it to the timeline, you can again select it, go again to beat sync, and then say display beat markers like this. I can just sync it now, and you can see that it changed at the very bottom like this. So it literally takes a click, and you can see that all your clips will now align perfectly with the music. Now, we're all focusing on the visuals, and it's for a reason, but if there's anything that's really going to make or break a video, it's the audio quality. That's why I appreciate that Canva is thinking of this important part too, and they delivered with the enhanced voice feature. It's going to help clean things up in general, but especially with talking head content where clarity is an absolute must. And let's be honest, recording on the go doesn't always give us studio quality sound. Now, I recorded a voiceover for one of my previous Instagram reels directly on my phone, which is usually absolutely fine, but this time it was not ideal. I can play it for you. You want to go from this to now with enhanced voice, all I need to do is to go here at the top after selecting my audio track and click enhance voice. And again, within just a second, the audio is cleaned up. It removed the background noise. It made my voice sound a little bit more crisp and professional. Now, sticking with the time-saving theme, the auto trim function is also here to help. It quickly cleans up the start and the end of a clip with one click, so you don't have to waste these precious minutes on doing it yourself. To access it, select your clip and then go to trim, which is this scissors icon with some timing. And from here, you will see the auto trim function. All you have to do is click. You can see that it removed all the dead air at the very front and at the very back, so it saved me these precious minutes, all clean now. And while we're at it, you probably noticed that right next to auto trim, we have the highlights feature in here, but I have a better video to demonstrate it for you. So this is a little rant that I recorded about social media growth and the different tendencies, and the highlights feature is actually perfect for it. So I'll jump back into trim and click highlights, and you can then see that all these clips were identified for me. Now, all I have to do is then to choose the ones that I like. So let's say hacking content performance is good, the illusion of learning, focus on creation. I can select all of them, just one of them, and I can then add that selection to the design. And what happens is that I've got these clips retained. And this way you could quickly create something like a highlight reel without really, browsing through your whole content. My original video was 10 minutes long, so that saved me a lot of time on scrubbing through that content manually. And of course, we have to talk about captions, an absolute must-have for all social media platforms where so many viewers watch content without sound, and even more importantly, for the hard of hearing and deaf communities to make your content accessible to them too. And imagine having to transcribe everything you say manually. It would be a nightmare. Luckily, Canva dropped this big update not too long ago, which makes adding captions really effortless. To do this, all you need to do is go to the text panel in the left in here, and then choose captions from under the dynamic text section. From here, you'll have one clip selected because that's one clip, but if you have a multi-clip reel, you can select it from here. The language will be automatically detected, or you can choose it from here, and I can hit generate captions. Now, once AI does its thing, you'll have a text box in here that changes automatically line by line like this according to what's said in the video. Now, of course, when you select it and go to captions here at the very top, you will be able to edit the wording from this panel, this captions menu at any point, because things don't always get perfectly transcribed, although I find that Canva AI is really good at this, so you will be able to tweak it in here. And of course, when you select your text, At any point, you will be able to make it bigger, make it smaller, change the font to what you like. I love to use Roboto for my captions. You can change the line spacing, anything you like really. As with the regular text box, you would be able to find it here. I love to add an outline to my own font, so I can go ahead and choose from my own colors from my palette. So this makes adding on-brand captions really, really easy, much easier than you would if you were to do it manually. What I love about these features the most is that they make video editing really accessible to everyone. If you want to try them yourself, check out the link below, which will give you a whole month of Canva Pro for free. And let me know which one is your favorite, which one of the features you like the most. And don't forget to like this video if you've learned something new today. Make sure you watch this video right now to see the best photo editing features in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.